Hi everyone, it's Laura, and in 2 days we are headed out for our very first Amtrak ride ever. And not only that, we're taking our car. So it's the Amtrak Auto Train, and I just want to give you an overview of what we're doing. We are so excited for this adventure. Sadly, my husband has to work on my daughter's spring break. She is 7. And so we're going to head down. We decided to take a Disney cruise. And I'm going to go and spend the weekend with my sister and family. And so, yeah, I am a little nervous, a little overwhelmed trying to get everything ready because it's going to be like 10 days, I think. And it's going to be a lot. So, one of my big concerns was safety. Like, I had no idea. I don't know nothing about Amtrak, so I wasn't sure if it was a safe place. So I watched a lot of videos. Seems like it's a lot of older people, snowbirds on these trips, so it seems safe. The other thing is I was gonna look into a roomette or a room, and they had a 50% off sale. To take the train down and coach was like so cheap. So I was like, let's try it. We're taking our daughter for the first time this summer to Europe, so she's gonna have to do an 8-hour trip in the plane. So I thought this would be a good chance to do that. So let's go over the specifics. So I would have preferred to have get in the car and driven like on her last day of school on Thursday and just like got in the car and see how far we could have gone and get out of this. It's like feels like 20-degree weather today in Pennsylvania. However, it was so much more expensive. So the snowbirds must be coming back for the summer, and it is cheaper to go south. So we are going to take the train down and drive back because it was pretty expensive to take the train back up. It would have been cheaper, I think, to fly. Something that is interesting is that you can bid up like a Royal Caribbean. So first, let me tell you what we spent. So we have a Tesla X where the Falcon doors go out. And I read the small print and said if you have doors that go out, then you can't use the auto train. But apparently that's just for front doors. So like, I guess it's fancy sports cars. And I was explaining to them the driver can get in and out fine in a regular door. I went back and forth on Instagram with someone from Amtrak and also on the phone. It's not clear. So I guess like worst comes to worst, hopefully they refund me my money for the car and then we will just drive down. So it won't be that big of a deal because the ship leaves Monday morning. So we'll have 3 days to get to our cruise because that one is not refundable and it's expensive. So it was like 50% off with kids or some sort of thing like that. So it was only $58.50 for 2 coach seats. My Tesla is an extended vehicle, so it's more expensive than a regular one. So it's $325 for a grand total of $383.50, which is such a good deal, especially to have your car down in Florida. It was child half off. And then Royal Caribbean Cruise, you can like bid on a bigger room. I bid on a roomette and a bedroom, I think. So I think they'll let you know the day of if you get that. And those seem really, really nice. Like it's like a little cabin and they make the bed for you and they lay down. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. They have a, what is it called? A dining car. So they just sent me today the menu for that. And it doesn't look too bad. But I'm still going to take snacks. And we love Lido's Pizza. And we don't have it here in Pennsylvania. So there's a Lido's Pizza right near the Lorton train station. So we will be partaking in Lido's and filling up before that. Check-in begins at 11:30 and it closes at 2 o'clock. For motorcycles, all oversized vehicles, I guess that would be me, and priority offloading, which we don't need because we're not going anywhere. I went to go to Florida, I went to go to Disney, but we're going to go see my family and stay there. And then check-in closes at 2:30 for all other vehicles. So the plan is, I think it's 2.5 hours to get down there, and I'm probably going to have to charge with my Tesla. So we're gonna leave here at 9, make it to maybe do a charge, go to Lido's, and then go check in. And then the train is scheduled for departure at 4 p.m. and it arrives in Sanford, Florida at 8:59 a.m. and it seems like that's between like Ormond Beach, where my sister lives, and Disney or Orlando. And they have car service during the trip. And then if you want to know about their baggage policy, we're not taking that much. We both have like a backpack with like entertainment stuff, and then I'm gonna bring a carry-on rolling bag with neck pillows, sleeping mask, and cozy blankets. I think my daughter's bringing a stuffy. So each traveler may bring 1 personal and 2 carry-on items, and size and weight limitations apply. Auto Train does not offer checked baggage service, but you may pack baggage inside your vehicle. Cannot access your vehicle en route, and each traveler is allowed 2 carry-on bags. So that's, I guess, for the Auto Train. 2 carry-on bags is what you're allowed. So we are very excited, and we will show you the whole process. So come along with Landon and Laura on our Amtrak Auto Train adventure. Good morning. It is the day before our Amtrak, and I was woken up to fantastic news. We were upgraded to the bedroom on our bid. So the total amount, we got room A, a bedroom with a bathroom. Like, that's what I wanted. So the total amount was $658. So the bid we put in was $275. The car, $325. Mine was $39. My daughter's was $20 for a total of $658. So such a good deal. And now I have to repack because I packed like we were going on a plane ride. And now I need to pack for like a hotel. I'm so excited. So the plan was just to bring this with blankets and neck pillows. And then my daughter had a backpack and I had a backpack. So instead, I'm going to get rid of her backpack, bring her rolling bag and this rolling bag. The neck pillows are gone. I think we're still going to keep the blankets just because it'd be nice to have cozy blankets. I brought compression socks for sitting in the chairs I really don't need. So those can go. And then the other thing that I got, my cat knows that the luggage is out and that we're going. It's a foot hammock that I use, so I was going to take that for the coach. So foot hammock, compression socks, neck pillows out. I need to pack pajamas and toiletry bags instead. And I think an extra pair of underwear, we will re-wear our outfits that we wear tomorrow. I'm so excited. So my backpack and 2 rolling bags, that's what we're gonna take. Good morning, it's Amtrak travel day. We have our travel outfits on and I'm doing last minute pack up. It's about 9 o'clock. So I'm hoping to get out of here by 9:30. Lido's, which is like 2 minutes away from the auto train, is 2.5 hours, so 10, 11, 12. I charged the Tesla to 100%, so we should be at lunch at 12, 12:30, 12:45, 1 check-in for the auto train. I don't think it's busy because we got the upgrade bid, so I imagine 1 o'clock's a good time. So we are excited. Landon's so excited. And we've downloaded all the things and let's get it done. My husband took all the heavy luggage last night out. So I just have like the small things. So I have like bags for the cruise, bags for the train, bags for this weekend, snacks, entertainment for the car. It's a lot of things. Yeah.
I'm bringing my luggage down.
Can you bring it down yourself?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you texted Granddaddy?
Yeah, I texted.
Landon got a new luggage. It arrived yesterday. How cool is that?
Hey, my luggage, my luggage.
Show how cute your outfit is. We got our travel outfits on.
Hello.
And then your iPad can go right in here. I'm gonna go get it. Hopefully it fits. See that little pocket? Oh, did I leave the door open?
Hey, Mom, what about my Nintendo? Am I gonna have that in the car?
I think Dad put the Nintendo in there already.
Mom, I kind of want to have my iPad in the car instead.
Okay. Just let's see if it fits in here, and then can you plug it? We'll probably
About
take.
100.
Yes. Let me see. OMG. Look at that. You're like a professional traveler. And then it can go here for your height and then here for mine. Isn't that so neat? And here. So we're gonna take, I tried a fridge, it didn't work. So we're gonna take a little cooler of frozen waters and some snacks. I'm gonna bring cheese and crackers in case we get hungry. And this thing is awesome. The whole thing is frozen all around. So hopefully it'll be in the cooler and then I'll put it in my backpack and it'll stay cold until tonight. Okay, in this back area we have 2 bottles of wine that are twist top for the cruise. You can take 2 on. Tennis shoes, socks, extra Crocs, beach bag, which we're going to use tomorrow or this weekend. My sister's in Ormond Beach. This is everything I need to board the cruise. So this can go down there. We are ready to go. I have the cooler here. I got this awesome table because no one's here. I have a trash can with organization. This is like all the essentials. If you don't know, I have full self-driving, so I can file my nails. I can floss my teeth. All the stuff is in there that I need. And this is my train bag carry-on. I got a new Tesla pillow, which is awesome. Landon set up with, she has her little trash can here. This is a footrest and a back protector on the back of the seat. She has her Yeti. We have snacks galore. My daughter is homeschooled, so when we're not on the cruise, she's going to do sight words, and she has a math app on her iPad. Since we'll be gone for 10 days, she's going to do like 4 days of school. She has this awesome tray set up here if we eat. Yep, I'm giving a tour. You ready? Yeah, I think we're ready. We have everything set up here. Why don't you put that near you, baby? You going to watch YouTube? Okay, she has a screen here. She has a switch here.
Monster Police.
Yeah.
Monster.
And you went potty one last time?
Yep.
And let me show you, Landon.
3 times.
You have snacks. You have your sight words. You have a pencil here for your... Oh, there's another pair of sunglasses. Wait, where's your pencil for your sight words?
Oh, that's my luggage.
Okay, I'll get it. So you have napkins here. You have hand sanitizer here.
My sight words on the train.
And your trash
I'm
here.
my sight words on the train.
Okay. Okay. We'll have to pack it. Make sure this is under yours. All right. You're good to go. Let me just double check everything.
And that's not what I watch on YouTube.
Okay. What do you want me to search for you?
Yeah, it's called Monster Police.
All right. And we're off. See you at Lido's. Landon is watching Netflix. All the sound is in the back, and I have one AirPod in listening to an audiobook. We're on 95 for 2 hours and 26 minutes. Hopefully shorter. I didn't leave quite on time. Traffic, 9 miles until Maryland. Landon, we're in Maryland. Woohoo! Hello, Maryland. Going over the river, Landon, the Susquehanna. Woohoo! Beautiful. Good morning, Baltimore. It's where Dad and I met New Year's Eve. movies, Landon. We're going in the tunnel. You might lose your movies. This guy with all this crap, a huge thing came out of his truck and almost caused an enormous accident. Look at all that crap. A menace. With American girls. Landon is playing her Minecraft, and I'm jamming to some Harry Styles. I talked to my husband on the phone, and we are 30 minutes away from Lido's Pizza. Woohoo! About to be in Virginia, our 4th state in one day. We're gonna do more tonight. There's DC, Landon. You can see the Washington Monument. Welcome to Virginia. The truck is blocking it. Virginia is for lovers. Hello, Virginia. Person is from California. I've seen Massachusetts and Illinois. I wasn't sure which one was further. Probably Illinois. Like the way the crow flies or the bird flies. But California.
Arrest me in front of my clone or like my child? Your little buddy?
I am your friend.
2 minutes till later. Oh, there's a taco place. We're here, Landon. We filled up on Lido's and their delicious square pizza that's a little bit like a pastry. We love it so much. We ended up not charging the Tesla. It was around 40-ish%, and we put it in Sentry mode for the overnight, and it made it just fine. So stay tuned for the next video for our full experience on the Amtrak Auto Train. We're arriving at 119. See what the line looks like.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.